Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Papia Art Studio. Today I must confess that I am very happy that I am able to add value into your life. How? By sharing my small scale embroidery business journey with you as a solopreneur, which is not an easy task. For each and every step, there is a lot of hard work involved. Today, when I take you through my journey, my struggles, my hard work, and my failures as well as victories, I feel glad that I am not only sharing my journey with you, but I am inspiring you. It's a thoughtful journey because no success can be attained without hard work. My journey as a female solopreneur is not easy because it requires lot of hard work, patience, perseverance, persistence with a single-minded goal to achieve success. I am not saying that it is not same for others. Yes, of course, success requires lot of qualities. But in my case, I will tell you, after spending 15 plus years of life in corporates, in big multinational companies, sitting in big air conditioned office, now toiling through the hot summer scorching heat, temperature rising up to 45 degrees centigrade, walking down the narrow bylanes of Delhi, walking down alone through the unknown ways, the bylanes, the streets of Delhi, and meeting the strangers to find the raw materials, to explore the market, to get more exposure, creativity, and just getting one step closer to my clients' demands make me happy. I just want my clients to be happy, and if I am able to add value, inspire a single soul out of my video, my task is achieved. My existence in this earth as a good human being is also achieved. So without further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial. I am today exploring the market to go ahead with the next process of embroidery. Here in this video, I will take you through how to print a design in a fabric. Printing a design in a paper is much easier because all you need is a design paper, a carbon paper, and the paper where you want to print it. You just have to, over the paper, you just have to write it with a pen. You get the design traced in the paper. However, in fabric, the design part is different. That is called adda in Hindi. Here I have reached the shopkeeper who does the printing work in the fabric. I can do it on my own hand, the sketching part. However, I want you to take through how the printing is done in the fabric so that you also get an understanding. I would be talking in Hindi. That is a common language between the person concerned and myself. So this is the shopkeeper who does the printing work in fabric, who is in TA Market, a small place in Delhi which is famous for embroidery raw materials. So here how the tracing is done, let's learn. I have come here in Delhi's TA Market. So here this is the printed material. As you can see, it's a butter paper in which it is traced like this. So I'll tell you how the tracing is done. भैया आप बताइए ना, कपड़े में फैब्रिक में कैसे ट्रेसिंग की जाती है?
इस पे होगा, इस पे डिजाइन करके उसके बाद में इस पे ये प्रिंट करके फिर इसे पिनिंग करा जाएगा।
तो कपड़े के ऊपर आप ये बटर पेपर रख के इंक से आप प्रिंट कर देते हो?
प्रिंट करके देंगे आप, ठीक है?
हाँ।
उसके बाद आपने चाहे कोई भी काम करें।
ओके ओके। तो फैब्रिक में जो ट्रेसिंग होती है उसके लिए मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ शॉप में, ये देख सकते हैं इस तरीके से। Now let me explain you in detail how the printing is done over a fabric. So first of all, we take a butter paper and with a plain HB drawing pencil we make our desired design. Then with a needle we prick small holes all over the design and then place the design butter paper over the fabric where we want the print. Then with a white ink we spread across the butter paper so that the ink oozes from the small holes which we have pricked, and then we get the design print on the fabric. इस तरीके से ये ट्रेसिंग करते हैं भैया। तो ये दिल्ली में टीए में है और इस तरीके से ट्रेसिंग होता है बटर पेपर। So I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe and hi.